For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of being stuck with a clunky, outdated car stereo system? Do you struggle to connect your smartphone or play your favorite music while on the go? Well, I've got some good news for you. Today we're reviewing the Hikity double-din car stereo, and trust me when I say it's about to change everything. But here's what surprised me: this stereo isn't just any ordinary upgrade. It's a game changer. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, the Hikity double-din is more than capable of elevating your driving experience. Therefore, if you're still using that ancient stereo system from high school, it's time to level up. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive deeper into what makes this stereo so special. For starters, it features a whopping 7-inch touchscreen display that's perfect for navigating your favorite music playlists or even accessing GPS navigation. And with dual USB ports and an SD card slot, you can enjoy seamless connectivity to all your devices. However, I've noticed some users have expressed concerns about the stereo's sound quality. Therefore, let's take a closer look at how it performs in this area. From my own testing, I can confidently say that the Hikity double-din produces crisp, clear audio that rivals even the most expensive car stereos on the market. But what really sets this stereo apart is its impressive array of features. But therefore, you'll be able to enjoy hands-free phone calls, Bluetooth connectivity for your favorite devices, and even support for popular voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant. There's more. This stereo also boasts a range of customization options to suit your unique preferences. From tweaking the color scheme to adjusting the volume levels, it's clear that Hikity has put an immense amount of thought into creating an experience tailored specifically to you. However, I do have one caveat. Some users may find the installation process to be slightly tricky. Therefore, if you're not comfortable with DIY electronics, it's always best to consult a professional for assistance. But trust me when I say that this stereo is well worth the investment, especially considering its price point. But therefore, I've included a special link in the description below where you can snag the Hikity double-din car stereo at an unbeatable price. So what do you think? Are you ready to upgrade your driving experience with the Hikity double-din? Hit that like button and subscribe for more product reviews, and don't forget to follow me on social media for the latest updates. In conclusion, after putting this stereo through its paces, I can confidently say that it's an absolute game changer. But therefore, if you're still using a clunky old car stereo system, what are you waiting for? Click that link in the description and get ready to experience music like never before. For the best price, click the link in the description below, insert Amazon link. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.